doing, we're going to
This way. Face it this way. Yeah.
Now Ariana's done, so we're going to get, when we get all these clumps out, take a little bit of this, and we're gonna roll it.
What is that?
It's dough.
Is gonna time it?
Slide the pan in with this, and when it's after 10 minutes, Ariana is gonna push the pan in. Stop. It was. Because the light is really so there we have a package that's off. Now I'm gonna put it inside the oven and Ariana's going
Arie, the right way.
got the first cookies. This is gonna be a good time today. So Ariana's gonna
So you can see
no,
that.
until you keep it going. That's weird. Is done with the cooling. Yeah, there. Okay, so now the second pan is in the cooling pan. The last cookie.
Thank you, Stephanie.
Welcome. Until we're going to put this out. Stephanie's
gonna All right.
take out the. So now you could see that the first pan it was January. Maybe me and Ariana will make another video with the